Assalamu alaikum, welcome to science class. This is a revision lesson for what we've learned so far. So what is a zoologist and what do they do? A zoologist is a scientist who works with animals. Zoologists study animals and they learn what do animals need to eat and how to take care of them and how do humans affect the animals. And they work at the zoo. Next, we discussed the animal types. So we reviewed all the types of animals that we learned so far, and we talked about each one of them. So what are the amphibians? Amphibian is an animal such as frog that lives both on land and in water, but must produce its eggs in water. What are birds? A bird is a creature with feathers and wings, and they're usually able to fly. Fish, an animal that lives in water and is covered with scales, and they breathe by taking water in through their mouth. Next, we have insects. They're very small type of animal. Mammals, any animal which the female feeds their young and they give birth to their young. Reptiles are an animal that crawls or moves on its belly, such as turtles or snakes, or the animals who have very short legs, like turtles and lizards. Next, we discussed that after looking at these different types of animals, do you think all animals have the same parts? Of course not. Each animal or each animal type have different parts and different body structures than the other animals. So not all animals have the same parts or structures. Next, we discussed what is special about each type of animal. So first, what's special about mammals? Mammals give birth and they feed their babies with milk from their bodies. What is special about birds? Birds can fly and they catch food with their beaks. What's special about amphibians? They can live on both land and water. What's special about reptiles? Reptiles can crawl on their bellies or their short legs. What's special about insects? Insects are very small. And what's special about fish? They swim and they live only underwater. And that's the end of our revision lesson. Thank you for attending.